He's laughing. You know, we're in a time crunch and stuff, so we're making something work, and it'll be fine. It'll serve its purpose. We'll see how it goes.
Where'd you get these at?
I got those in Academy.
Shout out to Academy.
Should get a Academy across the windshield.
All right.
Picking up our trash. Oh, here. Hey, where? Give this. You got yours already?
I already got mine. I'm 68.
What?
Number 68.
Ferris, Texas? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I brought out the Camaro. First time out, you know, not just actual testing and stuff. So I think tonight is just regular, either grudge racing. I know they got some classes going on. We're probably just gonna do the test and tune. See what it does with the adjustments that we made, putting the weight up front. Hopefully it doesn't try to kill me and Willie and Zaz off. Probably make 2 passes, maybe 3 if anything, but 2 for sure, and see where it takes us. And then, yeah, I mean, tomorrow's a big race. Tomorrow's a no time shootout deal. That's kind of what we're here for. So we'll see what it does.
I hear them spilling everywhere.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it up how it was that last night when it went down. Track, what I'm getting told, the track wasn't there either, so it wasn't really sticky. So we're just gonna go ahead and put the weight back in it, set it up how we had it before, you know what I mean? And then we're just gonna keep the weight up front and then go from there.
So basically everything's the same, but 70 pounds in the front, right? Yeah. So 70?
Yeah, no, we threw more weight at it in the front.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'd rather start heavy and see as long as it goes down, and then we'll backtrack. It's a huge swing. I'm just kind of throwing a dart at it. Did it move or what?
Yeah, they don't want to line up now. say it one more time?
Hell no. That's a shit.
These needle
They
digs,
should be on the top, no?
they hit each other head to head, and they open up a passage for fluid to go through. Here we go.
Crescent wrench. Give me that melt-to-melt fitting, the union fitting on that one. Where's the bucket of oil?
So how are we gonna do this?
Stick it in there and plug that.
Stick.
Plug that in?
Yeah. Have somebody look over there, make sure it's not spilling out of the top.
That's it.
A lot?
No, yeah.
Put your finger on it.
Put your mouth on it.
Arrived.
We have arrived.
Submit. I can put it in the handicap. Yeah.
What did we break?
The what?
What did we break?
We need to get some transmission fluid. So the brand that we run, they don't have it here. So last night, so kind of recap what happened last night. First hit, just spun. You know, like I said, we moved some weight around, and we took some weight off the back. Didn't like it. We tried to put it back in there, just half of what it was, and it still didn't work. So we ended up putting the weight back in there. Went back for the second hit, and after the burnout, I got, you know, I was told to shut the car down. Well, I ended up finding out that one of the Jiffy Tight for our quick disconnects for our training cooler, well, the one that's on the car, the valve got, somehow it's a freak accident, it got stuck. Didn't close correctly. So as soon as pressure actually was introduced, it fucking started spinning everywhere. So the floorboard was covered. We had to take some carbon panels off. And it was a shit show. But we got it all cleaned out. We ended up losing like, I think we ended up putting, I only had like half a gallon left of the stuff that we run, which is the Lab Pro ATF. We looked, we asked everybody, every racer there. We end up using some Schaefer's just to fill back up. We end up putting back in there like another 6 quarts or 5 quarts. So we lost a little. We lost a lot. So we're here because now we need to get more ATF just to make sure our training cooler gets filled up, because I think we used everything we could. We even drained out the training cooler just to make sure that we were trying to keep it so we don't have to be mixing fluids, but honestly that didn't happen.
And 28-275. Make sure you go by and take the fuel tank and put on your car. Track will go out in about 10 minutes, guys. So get them unloaded and let's get ready to do some racing today, y'all. Good luck to everybody.
Say it again.
At the pavilion. That's all you want, pavilion?
All right.
Fuck, man!
Turn the wheel. Go ahead.
Parachute just came off?
Hold him up. Hold him up.
The parachute fucking exploded.
Did you see it? It was a Mustang, right?
No, y'all.
Really? What happened, dude?
Just let off earlier.
Huh?
You can just let off earlier.
No, there's no fucking way, dude.
Right here, you know what I mean?
Holy shit.
That's fucking wild.
I need to go talk to Brandon. I didn't hit his car, did I?
Nah.